Hey y'all, it's Heather. Today I'm going to be freeze drying some chicken bone broth. We butchered some chicken, so I had a lot of backbones, as well as some chicken that I took out the freezer to freeze dry. So I have a ton of bone broth, and instead of canning it or freezing it, I'm going to freeze dry it. This will be the first time that I've ever freeze dried bone broth, so come along and we'll see how it's going to turn out. Alright, so the bone broth is frozen. I'm just going to stick it in the freeze dryer and cut it off. This is the bone broth 50 hours later. I don't feel any coldness. I'll be able to tell more when I start breaking it apart. Oh yeah, this is definitely dry. Kind of the color of frozen Coca-Cola. That's what it reminds me of. I'm just trying to break it up and get it in my jars to make like, I want it to be like a powder. But I needed a bigger bowl, really. This is the one I have though, so this is what I'm going to be using. Okay, once I get it in the jar, I might have better luck with it. I didn't know how much powder I'd actually get out of this and how much of it would be water. But this is a, I don't want it to break off. Yeah. Pretty happy with that. I'm kind of running out of space in my pantry right now, so I would anything I can freeze dry, I'm going to definitely try to freeze dry. I'm putting an oxygen absorber in each jar, and I mean, if I would have really ground these up with something, I would have probably gotten 2 quarts, you know, tightly packed, but about 3 quarts, not all the way to the top full, but pretty nice. Okay, now I'll just clean this mess up and that'll be that. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. I will have to rehydrate some and try it, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. Very happy with this, and I'm sure I'm going to be doing more. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.